beautiful guys, handsome men, beautiful ladies. Wow. If you are not here, you are missing.
That's it. If you are not here,
Welcome back to Party Slayers with Lapush. It's all about the groove culture, baby. It's all about the dancing, the partying, the slaying. Ngisho namakuzumela phakathi. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe on YouTube.
back to Party Slayers with Lapush. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sister 011. It's a combo lifestyle. I'm with my sister here. My sister, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. Uyawathanda vela amakombo?
Yeah, too much.
But ngibona ukujayivela imaskandi.
Yeah, like ngumZulu, but this thing is skim sam, yes, sama pompo, yabo.
Skin sam.
Yeah, tribal.
Tribal.
Tribal king is my friend.
Oh, Tribal King is your friend. Okay, so tell me, Mose Groove, what kind of guys do you babheka ukuthi this is my type of a guy? Lo umuntu engajola naye or umuntu engambamba today?
No, like into ngayisho ne.
Yeah.
Okay, nginomuntu ne.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then I like okay, was slim. Angithandi iduza.
Right.
Tall guys.
Oh, tall.
Yeah.
About tall, dark and handsome.
Yeah, dark. Not my Europe, no.
But do you think when bayakuthanda about tall, dark and handsome?
Some of them, not all of them. Let me say 50-50.
So your boyfriend is tall, dark and handsome.
He's not tall.
So why do you like about tall, dark and handsome? Yeah.
He's not tall, my boyfriend, but I'm tired the way I'm going. It's the way I'm cutting a corner.
Yeah.
So I love him.
Uphethe kahle dad.
Kakhulu Nkosi yami.
Uphethe wena.
Ukhethe mina kwana bonke nje wachoose mina.
So manje njengoba ula I think it's around about 2 o'clock now. Where is he? What is he saying about you being here this time around?
He trusts me. Ukuthi like I'm not gonna do stupid things. Yabo. Yeah.
You trust him.
Too much.
When do you trust yourself?
Yes, I do.
Do you trust him?
100%.
Okay, usisusu trust umuntu wakhe, but about tall, dark and handsome into zakhe. Guys, if you are tall and dark and handsome, my sister uthi ukhona but mara osalayo yena unayo i-boyfriend yakhe. This is Party Slayers. Sislaya ngama tall, dark and handsome.
Yes.
Nakanjani?
Nakanjani?
Owana. I nami ngiba nawo abo tall, dark and handsome. This is Party Slayers with Lapush. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Guys, in Party Slayers, it's on the waves. It's making waves. So please share, like, subscribe everywhere. Sister 011. It's a Makompa lifestyle. I'm your host, Posha aka Lapush.